everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm preparing some food for my husband because 3 days na siya na may sakit. He got sick, started Friday something, yep, until now. And then I told him to go to doctor, but he said that if you go to doctor, the doctor will still say the same. They will just gonna say keep doing what you're doing. So he said better stay at home and rest. So he is now inside the room watching his phone, taking a nap, and then watch his phone again. That he has no severe fever or something, but I think he got stuffy nose, something like that. I don't know. That's why I told him that maybe he got infection or something. But he's kept on taking medicine for it. So now I'm gonna make him a fresh juice. I have here mango, carrots, apples. So this is what I'm gonna give him. And then I already make some soup for him. I boil some chicken, and then the broth of it I added some noodles on it, and then the cabbage, and I added spring onions and 2 eggs, boiled eggs, so that it will help him. Chicken broth is really good if a person is not feeling well. So that's it. Now let's just prepare this one. This pretty mango, we got this from Walmart. I'm just happy that Walmart has a pretty mango. I thought that I can only find this in Kroger, but it's a good thing that they have it. Last night I massaged him. I gave him a massage from head to toe. Yeah, sometimes our body really needs it, because sometimes our body is full of cold something. Okay. Let's give this to him. And of course his food. I need first to prepare also his food pala. Nabuo na siya. We're gonna eat this. And then let's just add, of course, the chicken broth on it. If you want a fork or spoon, let's just do both. Happy bunny. Your juice.
Thank you.
That's good for you. It's a good vitamin C. It has carrots, mango, apples, and then I added those Tropicana juice for you.
That's good.
It's good.
Thank you.
You okay now?
It will be. I think I just need rest.
Yeah, you should. Said it's really good. Wife knows best. This is your food. You should get this. It has 2 eggs there. Okay, a minute. It has 2. No, this is hot. You need me to close this curtain?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
How can you eat? It's dark.
Oh, I'll turn on the light. I'll just turn it off on my way back down. Thank you.
You should eat that and finish drinking your juice.
Thank you, sweetie.
You're welcome.
Hmm?
I should have not do it.
No, I'm just saying. You could have decided not to do it, but you did.
You don't need to thank you. It's my duty as your wife to take care of you, because you're taking care of me also.
Because I love you.
Yeah, and because I love you too. Look at your face here. your giant. Giant Bobby. Eat na.
Okay.
Before it get cold.
Alright.
Okay. Just call me if you need something.
I will see.
So, maghugas muna ako ng mga pinagamitan. Kasi para ano. I think because of the temperature changes, kaya siguro nagkasakit yung asawa ko. Kasi syempre, di ba, nasa labas siya lagi, sobrang init, tapos ngayon nag-temperature drop siya. Ganun. Pero ako naman, sa awa ng Diyos, guys, hindi naman ako nagkasakit na maliban nung nag-vaccine ako na nilagnat ako, pero yung yung walang dahilan, hindi naman. Kasi pag ako nagkasakit, mahirap talaga. Kasi ako yung nagluluto eh. Luluto ng baon ni husband, ganyan. Pero syempre, mahirap din pag nagkasakit siya kasi siya yung nagtatrabaho, diba? Dapat talaga dalawa kami na hindi magkakasakit. Diba? Ba't maingay ang mga batutang ibon na yan? Ha? Why so noisy das again, babies? Noisy das, I love you. I love you, Sky. Oo, i-replace na natin yung tubig nyo. Wait lang. Tapusin lang ni Mama yung paghuhugas, ha? Tapos na. Palitan natin tubig lang ba, ha? Para hindi bad taste, ha? Oo, para lagi fresh yung water. Kasi madumi na. Madumi din pala itong isa. Kasi yung food na nasa bibig nila, siyempre iinom sila dito na pupunta sa water, yung residue. Kaya, kung mabaho yung tubig, pag hindi mo papalitan, kailangan talaga palitan siya. Ito na, dali ng water na dito pa. Dali na water. Si husband, nakakatawa talaga. Tingnan mo yung pinagagawa niya. Binilhan ba naman ako ng ganito? Binilhan ako ng ganito. Sabi ko, pang baby to eh. Pang kids ba? Sabi niya, kasi daw, binilhan niya ako kasi nga, ayan o. Kamukha kasi ng aso ko. Yung tinga. Tapos yung katawan. Parang corgi kasi yung aso ko eh. Kaya binili daw niya sa akin. Eh, dalawa pa talaga. Sabi ko, ipapadala ko na lang to sa Pilipinas. Papackage ko na lang. Actually, marami na rin ako naiipon-ipon. Yung mga papadala sa Pinas noon pa yan. Lalo na ngayon eh. Pinapamigay yung landlord namin. Mga peanut butter na nasa bottle. Eh, hindi naman namin magagamit yun. May expired lang. Kaya sabi ko kay husband, after ko mag-process ng papers, ipapackage nga natin yung mga yan. Sabi ko, pati to, mga to. Tapos may binigay din dyan yung biyanan ko na mga coloring something pang arts. So, sabi ko, papadala ko na lang yan sa mga pamangkin ko. Kasi hindi ko naman may gagamit yan. Kasi sabi ko, ang gamit ko talaga, mga paintings, canvas, ganyan. So, papapackage namin yan. Mga peanut butter dyan. 3 bote na yan dyan, guys, na ipon ko. Eh, pag hindi ko na yan, hindi namin magagamit yan. Baka next year, expired na yan. Kaya, ipadala na lang sa Pinas. Magagamit pa nila yung mga kape na nakuha namin ng Christmas. Nandiyan. Hindi naman kami dalawa nagkakape. Anong gagawin namin dyan? Sabi ko, ipapackage na lang natin. So, yan guys. Tapos na tayo sa ating paglilinis. Nag-almusal na rin ako. Si husband, salamat naman, patulog-tulog na siya. So, ngayon, ang gagawin ko, lilinisin ko tong area na to. Ayan. Kasi gusto ko talaga ma-clear out to dito para hindi pangit tingnan. Ayan. Tapos itong aming aquarium, lilinisin ko na lang to. Kahit yung algae na yan, pagkain niya ng ng hipon. Kasi shrimp na lang yung natira dito sa aquarium. Namatay na yung mga isda namin. Pero linisan ko na lang. Sabi ko, magkaka-algae naman ulit yan.
A few moments later.
Ito na yung aming aquarium. Ayan, hindi ko siya talaga pwedeng linisin yung gaya ng tawag nito, itong mga bato-bato, tanggalan ng lumot. Kasi nga, ang nakatira din ay hipon. Hindi naman siya isda, hipon siya. Kaya hindi siya pwede. Kasi pag tinanggal namin yun, mamamatay siya, wala silang pagkain. Tanggalin ko to lahat, yan, para gumanda-ganda man tingnan, oh. Yan. Kailangan ko munang ibabad itong basahan na ginamit ko. Madumi. Lagyan natin ng sabon para babad muna natin ito. Tide. Ay, hindi siya tide. Ano pala yan? Tawag dyan. Linisin natin yung ating counter. Yung nga, counter pala. So far. Ang bago ng sabon na to, guys. Ito, oh. Sarap sumutin. Kapag siningot mo ba yung sabon, magiging addict ka rin. Pagkabilatin niya. At least, nabawasan na ba? At least, gusto kong lumuwag dito sa counter. Ito talaga yung purpose ko, yung counter talaga. Luhan niya to, guys, dati nung nagke-keto diet siya, ayan. Lahat ng kinakain, ang hirap pala pag keto ka, no? Keto diet, kasi lahat ng kakainin mo, lahat kilo mo siya. Kung sakto ba yung kilo niya sa amount lang ng kakainin mo, yung calories, ganyan. Ay, Diyos ko. Kaya siya tumigil sa keto, eh. Pero alam mo, pumayat talaga siya nun. Tapos na tayo maglinis dito sa ating counter. So, yan na, di ba? Gumanda na, nagmukha na talaga siyang bahay, guys. At nagmukha na siyang counter. Ayan. Tapos ang ating aquarium, very pretty na siya, oh. Ayan. Ayan mo, nabigyan na lang natin ng mga lumot-lumot pa yan sila kasi may lumot naman talagang pagkain yan sila aside from nasa aquarium yan. That's it. Ka-pretty ng aquarium. So, hanggang dito na lang muna yung vlog ko, guys, for today. Thank you for watching. God bless us all. Bye!